In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to purchase Zoho in just 5 minutes. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring that you have a smooth and seamless experience. First things first, you'll need to log in to any Zoho account. This step is crucial as it grants you access to the platform's features and options. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'll be using Zoho Books as our example. Once you're logged in, our next step is to click on the settings. The settings section is where you can manage various configurations and options related to your Zoho account. It's the hub where all the necessary tools for customization and management are located, and the perfect spot to get started on your purchase journey. Afterwards, you'll want to locate the Organization tab. This tab contains details about your company and is where you manage your organization's information on Zoho. Within this section, you'll see an option labeled Manage Subscription. Clicking this option will lead you to a detailed view of the various plans available for your selection. Speaking of plans, it's time to select your desired plan based on your specific requirements. Zoho offers a range of plans tailored to different needs, so take your time to consider what works best for you and your organization. With your plan selected, you'll proceed by clicking on Upgrade. This step signifies that you're committing to the new plan level, providing you access to the features and capabilities it includes. As you continue, you might want to consider adding any necessary add-ons. These might be additional users, advanced features, or any other options that will optimize your use of Zoho for your needs. Customizing your plan with add-ons ensures that your subscription perfectly suits your requirements, maximizing the value you derive from Zoho's offerings. Once you've made these decisions, click on Continue. This action will bring up a summary of your selected choices. At this point, reviewing your selections is a wise move to confirm everything's in order. After a thorough check, you can click on Confirm to proceed. The final steps involve adding your billing address and payment details. Accuracy is key here to avoid any issues with your subscription being processed. Once you've input all the necessary information, confirm that everything's correct. The last action is simple yet significant. Click on Make Payment. This will complete your purchase process, granting you access to all the subscribed features and functionality. Congratulations, you've successfully navigated the process of purchasing a Zoho subscription. By following these steps, you're set up and ready to harness the power and capabilities of Zoho's suite of tools. Thank you for watching, and enjoy exploring the benefits of your new subscription.